Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. And see what other goodies they have to offer at a low cost. And here we go. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it almost the end of the month. And the holidays are fast approaching, so another gift idea to give to somebody. And let's see what it is. Oh, I missed one spot. Here we go. Yeah. Alright. We shall see. Whoa. Something. What is this thing? 2-in-1. Oh boy. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause. Alrighty, we got that box out of the way. This is coming from MooSoo on Amazon Prime. Get this in no time. It is the MooSoo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Cyclone technology. 2-in-1. Oh, these are nice. Oh yes. Alright, let's open it up. Take a look at this bad boy. And I think this is under $100, so, and they got coupons and stuff you could clip, I do believe. So definitely check them out. Nice little gift for someone, housewarming gift, Christmas gift. Put this on your Amazon wish list. You'll get this in no time. You guys got, I think a month. Start your shopping. Check out the deals. Oh yes. Alright. Here we go. We got it. I think we got it going. I'm gonna take this all out. We got the manual. That might come in handy later. We got the wand or the pole. Oh boy, we gotta do some putting together. We got the attachments. Everything looks good so far. Good packaging. That'll come out last. Got the handle or the base. Probably the handle. What's this thing? Oh, this is the bottom of the standing back. Put this down below the ground. Get that out of the way. This must be the power pack. Power source. Ain't gonna need it after that. Right there. Bam. Right there. Boom, boom. And now we're gonna, you get a little brushy. Get in between the cars for detailing. This is really, see, you gotta get the gunk out. Looks like there's a blade to it. Cool, be careful, might be a little sharp, a little pokey. Nice little brush. Always a good thing to have. Detail your car nice. Your RV, your boat. Here is the base. Part 1. And here is, what is this, battery? It's like the proton pack. Oh yes. I think I got everything out of here. Let's see. Everything looks. Yep. Alright, we can move the box. Seal that back up. We got this rolling. It might be a long video, but just in case, no ads are on it. And here we go. Let's grab some popcorn. And let's put this thing together. MooSoo. Here is the base thing right here. There is the main gunner. This is the beast mode. Here we go. Oh, nice. Nice. Boom. Here she is, MooSoo. Got that Cyclone technology all up in there. Got the bottomless pit. Should be easy to dispose. I think there's a button you push. Whoa. That's cool. That's easy to clean. for your car and stuff. Boom. Nice locks. Man, he did a nice job with this. This is nice. Kicking it old school, but new technology. Here we go. Drop you guys a little bit right there. Alright, I think we might need a battery. That might come in handy. Hopefully it's charged so we could do a little demo. Demo. There's a proton pack. Got the juice right there. Rechargeable. Nice. And we got one of these guys. We got the brusher and a power cord, and we gotta hook this up. I think this goes on the top of this. Or maybe, oh, this is for the wall where you want to hang it up at. Oh, okay, never mind. So you got some work to do. I don't need to show that part. I'll just have it hanging up later on, maybe on my Instagram. So definitely check that out. And if you want to see longer action, it'll be on there also. But there we go. So that would be done later. Don't need those right now. We need the bottom. Got the wheels. Oh yeah. There we go. Got that done. We got one of these guys. Easy glide. Oh yeah, this is nice. Especially for the senior citizens. This would be a great one. Easy to maneuver without hurting themselves. So, always that tough one in the family. You don't know what to buy during the holidays and gifts and stuff. This will be definitely a good gift to make a purchase. And let's see, this is the top, this is the bottom. Comes from the bottom. Make sure it's standing up. So here we go. This is the pole. Pretty cool. So you stick it in. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, that's maybe where the battery goes first. Oh, no. Wrong end. This is the end you want. Okay, I see how it works. Bam, you hear it snap. Got that locked in. So there we go, tippity top. And we got the tip top on that, right there. And we pause. Clean up this mess. This should be easy to put together. We'll give it a spin and Rooney. Okay, charge, base. So this, oops. Oh, alright. I can show this part. See this right here? See those prongs right in there? Even it up with that. Somehow. Gotta get it in the groove. Okay. There we go. See how it is? It's gotta even it up with the grooves. Right there. There we go. Snapped in. Pretty good. Right on. I'm going to remove the tag since we got that part hooked up. So like I said, hopefully there's a juice in it so I don't have to wait and charge. We could just get in one shoot. Yeah, this would be over a 10-minute video. So, my bad. But this is a must. Yeah, definitely gonna need to be charged. Alright. I'll show you how to plug it on. All that good stuff. So we got that. Okay, I see how you do it. So you can use it two ways. This is really cool. I don't think I ever had one of these on this channel. One of these type vacuums. Had a smart robots, which are pretty cool. But definitely old school with new school technology is the way to go. Alright, we took that off. I actually might have to have it plugged in, but like I said, it is cordless vacuum. But right now, I think the battery is dead. DOA. But we'll just pop it in like so, and like I said, we'll do the wireless part in a few minutes. But right now, we'll just show. Alright, see these prongs right here, just even it up to the tip top. And it is, whoa. Oh, this is light. This is definitely light. So like I said, it's easy to clean. All you gotta do is just press that button down there, the silver one, and it drops it open. Yeah, I'm gonna have to charge it. Dang. So I think this is the, oh no, wait. Oh, there's a high speed. Press twice for high speed. Okay. I'm gonna have to charge it. Alright, I'm gonna be back. And I wanted to show you guys in the full wireless mode, so it'll be definitely a long video. Alright, I'll see you in a few. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it charging right now. Looks really sweet. I'll pop up that. It does work great. I tested it out. And now I'm going to show you it's in action. So just unplug. Whack. Uh-oh. Hold on one sec. I want to catch a foot. There we go. There we go. And down at the bottom is going to be the button. Oh, there we go. And you can click it to change the speed. And I got a nice little light. And it's going to take a while. Oh yeah, it's wireless, so there's no cords. You can see the bottom. There's a little bit of dirt. You can see that cyclone technology working. And underneath here, we'll get it going. It's pretty clean. I cleaned this room a lot, so this is the main. There it goes. See that cyclone? Get it in between the tough spots. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a little. There we go. It does pick up big chunks too. A nice easy guiding light to show you where you're at. It's not that loud either, so get out of my way, chair. Whack. There we go. Under the table. And you can probably use it for your couch also. This part. So you're done with that, right? And then shut it off. And detach mode is very easy. Just gotta put it somewhere. It's kind of hard to do two things at once sometimes. It should be easy to detach. Let me drop you guys down. So definitely check them out. MooSoo. Here we go. It's really easy to pull. You got your hands free. See? A little dirt there. Not too shabby, but it's easy to clean. The bottoms, these are really easy to take apart. I'm not going to do it right now, but right here, the brushes, simple pop up, and then take them out. And I think they do have replacements also, so just click on the link and you'll see what they have to offer. And like I said, this would be, see? Use that. Attach the hose like so. And let's, and not all the way, but this is what it looks like. Oh yeah. So this is really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. MooSoo, Amazon Prime, cordless vacuum, 2-in-1. Get your house nicely detailed. Get your cars, SUVs, boats, campers. Get them clean by one of these. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend. And see you guys back on Monday.